Dear Ashwini Vaishji, right now I'm traveling in a AC two-tire compartment of Jodhpur-Puri Superfast Express. I appreciate the kind of work you're doing and the kind of service now the railway has upgraded itself to. काफ़ी professionalism आया है. But I would like to draw your attention to one very basic thing. AC two-tire में ही अगर आप देखें तो जो inside berths हैं they are about 2 feet wide, whereas the side berth is only 21 inches wide, and even the length is short. But you are charging the same price. I mean, this is unfair by any logic or any justice system. That same rate for a lesser facility you are providing. तो मेरे ख्याल से आपको इसको प्राइस में कम से कम 10% डिस्काउंट देना चाहिए टू साइड बर्थ्स, or else increase the price of the inside berths as compared to the outside berth. क्योंकि not only it is shorter, it is more uncomfortable, it is in the passage, so disturbance is more. So this is a discrimination. आपका इस बारे में क्या विचार है? Do you justify it? And मैं जनता से भी चाहूँगा जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं YouTube पर अपलोड करूँगा, जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं उनका इस बारे में क्या व्यू है? Is it justified? Thank you very much for listening, and I expect Ashwini ji to look into this matter from a consumer point of view. Thank you.